Be right behind Hy-Vee's Creek. And I tried to get all the way up to the top. Got a bit muddy. But we've gone all the way through here in Red Pride. Keep on going, climb up here, walk a few miles. This is the building I was talking about. I thought it was shit, but it was actually a building. Whoops. But if I climb on top of the rocks, then I probably am going to have to put my phone away and focus more. So, yeah. This is the old Hy-Vee Creek. And this is my Sino skip day without anyone with me. So, just note one thing. Loose rocks, do not mess around with them. Focus on more on those. If they don't get stuck in the mud, then that's a loose rock. Well, if they do get stuck in the mud really tightly, then that is a loose rock. Not loose rock. Tongue twister, okay? So, like this one, that one's not a loose rock. Like those tiny pebbles over there are the loose rocks. Alright? But on gravel, some of 50-50 is a loose rock and isn't a loose rock. And yes, we do have trash down in this small creek thing. But, cleaning is cleaning. No matter how far it gets. I did saw on volleyball. Got a bit taking fixing it. But yeah. There's a small pathway going down in it. But you might need to not slide on your bum. Just take it easy out there if you're trying to climb on like rocks and stuff. Hold on. Never mind. A mailman car was driving around delivering packages. Alright. There's around like 3 to 5 of these circle hole things leaking out all this water and leading all the way down there. Hello, birdie. I do not know what the bird's called. That sounds like a baby crying. I know what baby crying is like, but you know what I mean. Anyway, so yeah, this is my own senior skip day. I can probably send this to school. But hey, at least I get to learn something new about me. Nature ain't that bad. It's just how you point it into a right direction. Or put it close by into a direction. But we do need to clean up the whole grass field so that we can see the whole lake and stuff. Down over here, really had a bunch of trees and all that. We can't see which way the old river is going or which way the creek is going because nature is being nature. And yet we can fix it by picking up to see how the water is. But we can tell from here the water ain't that exactly deep, but it's small, it won't go out as much. But at least it's something. So, if I go down this pathway, which I've never gone, so you're going to see my first reaction of it. Very steep. Take your steps. And take it easy. Don't go like fast, banana crazy. Of anyone who actually eats food fast like I do. But that would be normal. Live branch? Yes. Hold and grab. Like full on live branch. Go down. There's a stick. Around. And back through. And then try to follow your back path. Like here, tons of sticks. Try your best not to get stabbed with them. And also, best not wear slides, but hey, I wear them right now. And this is Mella Martin. And yeah. The grass down here is all wet. There's caution signs. Not much water. Easy to walk through, but giant tree in a way, like way down over there. I do not know if it's trespassing or not, but it's in between two places. But yeah. Any other way I do need to take a shower room, but other than that, this seems okay. A few pipelines, a lot of water waves, but very bone chilling of the water, not the whole stuff and others. But if you like nature, then try to go to somewhere more fun or unique. Let's see, like the ledges. Now that's a good place to go. Or if you feel like up for adventure and climbing, go to the whole climbing Iowa city or own climbing place. I forgot what it's called. But hey, someone left a dishwasher here. Or some type of metal containment cell. There's a small tiny metal thing there. And I am completely stuck around here. Unless I go bend down, but oh, look at the baby fossils! It looks like a raccoon. Let's come over here. Sorry, baby voice. Gotta keep it on a low profile. Just note, if you find any pathways for animal prints, best not follow them. Because sooner or later, they will find you. Or most likely chase you if you follow them. But we do got tiny, looks like tiny dog prints. And little possums or raccoon hands. But that is it for my own travels. Can't go any farther, but I did try my best to invite a friend over and to, well, hang out. Well, most likely this place. But I guess she doesn't want to, so I'm fine with that. I'm not gonna say any names or anyone, because, well, one, everyone's so judgy, and two, it's nice to be alone once in a while. So yeah, have fun, y'all. Peace.